Sylva, North Carolina, in Jackson County. And we stopped at a place called Big Nick's, right here in Sylva, on 23, Highway 23. And we are going to try the local barbecue, so you can see what we've ordered. We ordered a barbecue platter, is what they call this, with coleslaw, waffle fries. Julia's got the homemade brisket and mac and cheese. It's got brisket in it and hush puppies. And we can't wait to get into this. This looks fantastic. Okay, so let me try this. Very good. Wood-fired barbecue. The flavor is right there. Got a little char on the meat. It's fantastic. Get a good picture of this. Now, they've got 3 sauces. Memphis, Western Carolina, and South Carolina. So we're going to try these, and we'll come back and we'll talk to you about it. Flavor, spot on flavor, great flavor. Y'all know me, I love a sandwich. But just the loose barbecue on the platter is really good. Good flavor. This is their homemade mac and cheese, and it's got brisket in the mac and cheese. So you get that brisket flavor. It's good mac and cheese. Good mac and cheese. Doesn't disappoint. So, as he was telling us, when they run out, they run out. They don't make anything. So, if you don't get here quick, they won't have ribs. They won't have brisket. And you got to order something else. So, when they run out of food for the day, then they're done. They shut down. They're closed. And that's a tribute to how good the food is, because you got to get here quick, or they'll run out of food. So he was telling the story this morning that a gentleman came by and he said, "You have any ribs?" And he says, "Yeah, I've got ribs. How many racks you have?" He said, "I got 8 racks." He said, "I'll take them all." So they're out of rack of ribs. So you've got to get here early. The Big Nick's in Sylva if you want barbecue. Going into the kitchen here.
So this is the heart of this is the Chevy,
Got it.
So this one's all analog, old school, the other one's not.
Okay. All right.
So right now,
Nice.
so I got a couple racks of ribs in here that I put in. They're ready.
Apple juice.
Apple cider.
Apple
vinegar.
cider?
I mean, apple cider vinegar.
Okay. All right.
Because the apple juice turns into vinegar and everybody gets too hot. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. We do something pretty odd. I learned this in Texas. We use oil with the ribs.
Y'all can't see the smoke. You ought to smell this. I'm a woody guy. I love the smoke.
See our ribs are still out there.
Yeah.
Fall apart.
Yeah.
And once I see 5 bones poking out, I don't even have to temp it. I know
Yeah, they're rendered down and they're pulling back.
So we'll head up with this. vinegar. So the cracked pepper, kosher salt, turbinado sugar, and a little chili powder. So the pork fat and smoke and the apple cider vinegar kind of makes it glaze.
Okay. Now, would you call these the dry or wet ribs?
Dry. They're kind of Central Texas kind of style. Our rub comes from a good friend of mine across the Wrangell in Houston. He's got a couple of places. He taught me how.
So Central Texas, not true Memphis. Yeah. Okay.
So we are, I mean, bastardization of all the different methods of barbecue.
Right.
Double wrapped. It's got its apple cider vinegar in there. You'll see it running around.
Yes.
And we will let them rest on a standstill table, meat side down. We're wanting to get some cooking out here because these things are probably about 190, 195.
And they're still cooking.
Yeah, so if I put them in the warmer at 160 degrees, and I come back 3 hours later, they're 250, they just keep on going.
Yeah, they'll be dried out.
Cooking temps out of it. And a stainless table, very heat sink. Dissipate, you can feel heat from underneath it. It's just,
Oh, no, it's warm.
it's great. And so they're a little al dente. So we don't cook them super duper soft. We want them to bite into them. We don't want you to have to gnaw on it and get off the bone. We don't cook and fall off the bone.
Okay, so that's a very interesting thing. So now, are you familiar with Kansas City Barbecue Society?
Yep.
Okay, so now you don't prescribe to them on their consistency, touching full judgment. Okay, you want a little tougher then. Okay.
Kind of like across from me, pork chop and bacon.
Gotcha.
That's kind of what we're going for. Now, as these stay in the warmer for 5 or 6 hours, it's softer and softer and softer. I prefer like within an hour.
Now, when you take them off the warmer and a customer wants these, do you sauce them down at any point? Or so you go, you say al dente, the rub and the vinegar is all you're going to do.
Yeah, the term what I said we're using al dente is kind of what's really tough. Not moving the rub and the sauce. It's just that they're not raw. So some folks are used to eating baby back ribs and stuff. These things don't fall off the bone. I'm like,
Sure.
that ain't gonna cook.
Sure. Yeah. Well, you know, but you're going against the whole world here.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab this other one out.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
We'll cut it.
Okay, so Tim, this is the rub here, right?
Yep.
Okay. You see that? So they're mixing us up in mass quantity here, not a little bit at a time. Question. So did you pull the membrane off? You pull the membrane off?
There's the good.
It takes less effort there. Yeah. Look at the sweat. Look at the moisture coming off of it. Can you see the moisture? You look get close. See the moisture coming off that? The liquid's coming out. And all you did was cut it. Okay, so if you look at the consistency there. I'm gonna take a bite of this, but if I eat it all, she'll jump me.
Well, I'm
no,
thinking
no, she'll jump me if I don't leave it.
So it'll have some a little more pull to it. But after it rests, wrapped like that, it softens up a little bit more. And that's the flavor we're going for right there. That salt, pepper, a little sugar, a little twang of vinegar.
That's great. And yeah, the first thing you notice is the seasoning change. The pepper is the first thing. That's the first thing you get right there. Right, very good. Very good. And now, tell us what you call it when you just call me baby backs? St. Louis spare ribs. Okay. All right, so big difference between that and baby back ribs. Okay? And right out of the oven, the flavor hits you right there. That's great. Now, they are very good. Now, I'm gonna step on your toes here. With some barbecue sauce on this would be fantastic.
Hey, barbecue sauce.
Like most people say, if barbecue sauce, you're trying to hide something. But you're not hiding anything with these. The flavor is right there. It's good.
Okay, so we got sliced turkey. Because it's barbecue, it's grilled, smoked turkey. Normally turkey can be dry. This is not dry. This is, look at the consistency. It's just pulling apart, which is what you want. It's fantastic. So let me make sure we cover this. So,
Piece of our homemade peanut butter pie.
thank you very much. Julie's gonna love this homemade peanut butter pie. That's gonna be great. Let me make sure we got this on film. So we brought out the baked beans, and we have discovered this is our new favorite way of having baked beans. There are kidneys in here, navy. We'll put a pork and bean in there as well, pintos with barbecue sauce, and it's the new way we're going to enjoy baked beans forever. This is fantastic. Good flavor. Tomato barbecue flavor. You've got to try it. See the steam coming off this? They're hot. They're right out of the pot. They're really good. And the potato salad. There are slices in here. They're cubes or chunks. Very good. Homemade potato salad. Make sure I say that correctly. This is potato salad. Very good. Everything we've had here has been fantastic. It's been great. Great food, great flavor. We're going to enjoy this when we come back, and we'll show you that we don't have anything left over. Okay, so dessert. Peanut butter pie. And this is homemade here at the restaurant. It appears to be kind of a mousse kind of a pie. Yes, it's a mousse pie. Peanut butter pie. Now with Oreos bottom. Fantastic. If you like chocolate, you like peanut butter, you're gonna love this. This is fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, great. Doesn't disappoint. Doesn't disappoint. Very good. Everything here has been great. Have a great time here at the restaurant. Great time here at Sylva. If you're in the area, you want to go to Big Nick's. Big Nick's barbecue. Everything on the menu has been good. We didn't find anything we didn't like. Great flavor. The flavor is fantastic. Very friendly staff. The owner is extremely gracious. He was able to sit down and talk with us. We appreciate his working with us. Remember, the link, share the link down below, share this page, and like it. And we're going to put a link on here to Big Nick's on Facebook. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends. Barbecue 101. Thank y'all for watching.